We're making homemade cappuccino. Very easy to make. It smells so great and you will love it. Just look at it. Give it a try. You might probably have all the ingredients home. Let's get started. To my food processor, I added in a cup of powdered milk, cocoa powder, instant coffee. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Next thing going in was baking soda, cinnamon powder, and sugar. The sugar that I added is totally optional. If you want, you can just omit the sugar, or if you love sugar just like me, you can add in sugar. After you've added in all the ingredients, close it and pause it. Let it work for at least 30 seconds. Make sure everything is well combined, everything has come together, and then transfer it into your bowl. And basically that's it. It's very simple, so easy. And here you have your cappuccino. Just look at this, just as the same store-bought cappuccino. Look at this. So when done, all you have to do is to transfer it into an airtight container and you are good to go, guys. Make sure you mix everything is well combined, everything has come together, and transfer it into your container. And look at this. This was very simple, and probably you have all the ingredients home, like I said from the beginning of the video. And that's it, guys. Very easy, so simple and good. Best idea for breakfast. And they are good to you. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And those of you who are not following me yet, please try your best to follow me. We are almost at 1 million followers, so please if you are not following me yet, please follow, give me a thumbs up, and then comment as well. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. And just look at this. This is the best ever cappuccino you ever made in your house. See you till then. Bye bye.